Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Mosaic Black 2016 Chevrolet Malibu Premier, stock number A7611. Starting up front, you can see there's a short chrome trim on the grille. You've got factory fog lights. Hood is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 19-inch Continental Pro Contact tire. Inside you have a black leather upholstery which is in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row and seating for 3 back in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Malibu. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is a dual point exhaust here as well as backup sensors on the bumper. You do have a backup camera and keyless entry for the trunk. As you can see, it's very clean inside. That second row seating folds into a 60-40 split, so that'll give you lots of extra space when needed. And the reason that I'm showing you the Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door here, you have buttons for memory seating as well as your usual power amenities. There is a BOSE premium audio system, and you've also got power lumbar adjustments. Taking a step inside, there is a push button start here. I'll go ahead and start the engine up. Right to the left of the steering wheel, you have cruise control buttons. There is a button here for lane keep assist as well as a heated steering wheel. On the right hand side, you have your audio and Bluetooth controls. Above the rear view mirror, you can see you've got OnStar buttons here. You've got a great touchscreen display here. This is where your backup camera shows. As you can see, you do have a navigation system, and there is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have dual climate controls as well as buttons for heated and cold front row seating. You have your traction control down here. This is an 8-speed automatic transmission with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine and highway mileage that's going to get you around 33 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Chevrolet or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.